Yo, what's up guys? Andy here back with another crypto update. Today we're talking about Boost. Boost is a place to store your BTT tokens, aka BitTorrent, and you can get dividends. So here we are on Bankroll Boost. So Boost is part of the Bankroll network, and the Bankroll network has all of these other dApps over here. So they've got tons of different dApps, and Boost is the only one that deals with BTT. So here's what you can do. You can buy Boost tokens. So basically you're just swapping your BTT for Boost, and it's 10% in, 10% out. It explains all the details here, but Boost is pegged 1-to-1 with BTT. Then you'll continue to get dividends whenever someone plays the Boost game. So you can see right here I have 523,000 BTT in the Boost contract, and here's my dividends for the day. I got 2,000. So then what I want to do, I just want to roll my dividends. I want to keep compounding them. So it's just going to take my dividends and add them right here into my balance. So I'm going to click roll and click accept. Close that. Just like that, it's been added to my balance. You can see I'm getting pretty good dividends. I've already rolled 41,000 Boost into my total balance. I've done 26 rolls. So this is a great place to store your BTT tokens. You know, mostly they're just sitting there doing nothing. I probably have more in my wallet right here. Yep, 725 right there. So I could put those in here as well. But a lot of people have BTT. There's a ton of BTT tokens out there. Let's see if we can look it up real quick right here on CoinMarketCap. The circulating supply is 212 billion, so this could easily get to 1 billion Boost in the contract, or even way more, because there's just tons of BitTorrent tokens out there, and you might as well put them to work. You might as well get dividends rather than just having them sit in your wallet. You can already see the dividends starting to come through there. They also have all of the buys, all of the sells, a leaderboard, the stats here. You can see the increase on the contract. So it's been going up pretty steadily, a lot at the beginning, still continuing to climb though. Even if someone sells, 10% of their sale is distributed amongst the holders in the contract. So there you have it. What I'm doing with my BTT, just staking it in the Boost contract, getting dividends. And I don't know all the details, but BTT is owned by Justin Sun and Tron, the Tron network. And they have also just purchased DLive, which is a live streaming platform. I think they're working on a way to integrate BTT with that, or sort of convert it over to BTT. So BTT is huge, could do big things, tons of possibilities. So lots of positive news with BTT. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. If you have no idea what's going on, just check out some of the other videos on the channel. They'll do a better job of explaining the TRX network. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard.